Hi, welcome to The Shed. In today's video, we're going to talk about breathing using an O breath. When we play a wind instrument, it's really important for us to have enough air and breath support to be able to play our instrument to its full potential. Without air, we're going to be unable to play with a good sound, tone quality, our intonation is suffer, our potential for full range of the instrument, you won't be able to play as high or as low if we don't have enough air. So one of the things I like to do is to use something called an O breath. When you say the letter O, what does your mouth do? Go ahead and say O, O, O. So what is happening? Our mouth is kind of taking a circular shape, right? Think about the inside of your mouth when you're saying the letter O. O, O. What's happening? It's very open, right? We have a lot of space in there. Opening up our throat, opening up our oral cavity is going to allow us to bring in more air into our lungs in a quicker breath. So instead of saying the word O, I want you to breathe in and say the word O. It's almost like you're chewing the air. That's going to allow you to take in a maximum amount of air within the minimum amount of time. So while you're playing, I want you to practice taking an O breath. Before you even put it on the instrument, just do it a few times with me. Now practice that until you own it, and we'll see you in the shed.